One way to add videos to a Google Classroom would be to create a material. And so I'm going up to create and material. I'll call this material lesson videos. And then when you go to add, you can go to Google Drive, links, files, YouTube. I'm going to go to, I want to add a link. And so it prompts me to add the link. So I'm going to go back to my drive. This is my Google Meet recordings. So this automatically happens when you start to record Google Meet videos. A folder is created for you in your Google Drive, and that's where all the videos automatically go. And so I'm going to grab the URL for that. Notice that it says restricted here. I'm going to grab the URL and then go back to my Google Classroom and paste that link. So this is the link to the folder for Google Meet videos. And I say add link. Because I'm posting in my Google Classroom, the permissions for viewing what's in that folder now are set for the students of this class. So I'm going to go ahead and post it. Actually, I could choose the topic now. I wanted this to go into class materials. And I post it. It says saved. Now I'm back here. I'm in class materials. I have lesson videos. So when students open this up, they have access to that folder. One thing to note is that the video file names for Google Meet, let's see, you can see here's an example. It starts off with some things that make no sense to me, but it does end up including the date of the video. So that's a timestamp on there, which could be beneficial. Teachers can rename any of these if they want. I think at first I would probably just record them and let them post into that folder. Now when I add new Google Meet videos, when I take them during Google Meet sessions, they will automatically go to that folder, and that folder is available for students in the class materials section. Hope this helps. That's just one way that you could post videos to your Google Classroom. Some other ideas might be to take the video and post it to an assignment. You could post videos to a slide deck. So maybe each slide is a video. That might be a nice way to collect them and curate the videos over the course of the class. You could also post links to a hub doc. So you could use a Google Doc. It could be slides again, but really just a doc that is a list of the links to the videos. You could post the videos to the stream. The stream is a built-in part of your classroom, and that might serve as a nice way to have a list of the videos as they occurred. You could also post to the Google Classroom calendar. Every Google Classroom automatically gets a Google Calendar generated for it, and it can be accessed through the Google Classroom. It can also be through the apps launcher if you go to your Google Calendars, but you could post the videos as a part of an event in that calendar. The nice thing about doing it on a calendar is that you can post the video on the day of that instruction, so students could visit the day they missed and find the videos. So lots of options, and hopefully this gives you some things to think about. As usual, thanks for watching.